Students, with our newest feature, you can now manipulate, organize, and create an outline, and even collaborate with peers during your assignment. The Noteboard feature can be found at the bottom of the side panel besides bibliography. You can access the Noteboard feature at any time. However, its best use is once you've taken notes in the side panel during your research and you're now ready to collaborate or organize your notes. Click Noteboard. You can rename the Noteboard if you choose. By default, it will name itself the same title as your session or assignment. You can add new note cards. Just know that when you add a new note card in the Noteboard feature, it's not going to pre-populate back over here in your extension. This shows you that you have one Noteboard linked. This will be important when you start to work with the collaborative feature. This will let you exit the Noteboard and show a list of all of the Noteboards you're currently on. Finally, this is the Noteboard trash can. By clicking on this, it'll show you any notes that you have recently deleted. You can restore them all or click on specific ones to restore. You now see your split screen. All the note cards on the left are your individual notes that you took earlier during your research. The screen on the right allows you to create and organize an outline. If your teacher has created a predetermined outline, you will see this here. If they have not included an outline in your assignment, you can create your own. This box works just like any other text editor. You can create topics. Once you have an outline established, you can then take your note cards from the left and slide them over to the right. At the top of each note card, you'll see the person's name of who owns the note card. Again, this will be important when you start to use the collaborative feature. You can again tag these notes. You can add in images even after they've pulled over from your extension. Once I'm feeling confident about my note card, I can simply drag it over underneath the topic or section of my outline that I wish to use it in. Once you're feeling confident with your outline, you can then export it. You have the option of copying it, opening up a Google Doc, or saving it to a Word doc. Your outline is now ready to be turned in or to start your research assignment. Stay tuned for a second video in showing the collaborative feature of the Noteboard.